Thailand, guys. You must experience this boat right here. Sobrang ganda. Oh, I miss Thailand. I'm so glad to be back here. Ilan lang po kami yung mga kasamahan ko sa boat. Few people lang. So yun, ayun, nag-try lang. Super nice. They have some like schedules here. This one. Shuttle boat schedule. Yeah, schedule dito kung anong oras ang gusto ninyo. So yun po. Ay, very relaxing. Yung river. Yeah. Look at those. Ang dami rin dito. Easier, it's very accessible, it's free, and just relax the view, the nature. Sobrang relax. Like for me, like my job really very stressful, so I just want to be alone for today. Just look around the city of Thailand. I mean Bangkok. I like the city though. I haven't been to the other like countryside in Thailand. Pretty sure maganda rin yun. Pero right now, mga basic lang muna. If you're in Bangkok, try this one, the shuttle boat. I'm sure kung saan kayo hotel, anywhere you're gonna, like if you're checking in a river side, check the hotel's shuttle boat schedule or services. Oh my gosh, you need to experience this guys. Come on, go here in Thailand. Amazing Thailand, you know. A lot of smile, a lot of dreams here in Thailand. See you guys. Enjoy. Bye. Enjoy Thailand. If you like all my videos, don't forget to subscribe on my videos. Just type Friends Inferiors. And don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Thank you guys. Doing this for you guys, the Southeast Asia